Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we delve into the critical role property management plays in alleviating affordability challenges in the vibrant landscape of Utah's real estate market. Understanding the affordability landscape. Utah's housing market is a dynamic tapestry influenced by a booming population and a thriving job market. With opportunities come challenges, and affordability concerns have become increasingly prevalent. Let's explore how property management services contribute to strategic solutions. Tailoring rental rates to market demand. Navigating the delicate balance of rental prices in a dynamic market is a challenge. Professional property management companies, like Wolfnest, stay ahead of local market trends. They utilize data-driven approaches to help landlords set competitive and fair rental rates, ensuring a delicate equilibrium that maximizes returns while remaining sensitive to community affordability. Streamlining operations for cost efficiency. Effective property management goes beyond setting rents. It involves optimizing property operations for cost efficiency. Through technology and streamlined processes, property management services help landlords reduce operational costs without compromising service quality. This commitment allows landlords to maintain affordability for tenants while safeguarding their investment. Implementing proactive maintenance strategies. Property management services play a crucial role in preventing unexpected maintenance issues. Proactive strategies, such as regular inspections and prompt repairs, not only enhance tenant satisfaction but also contribute to long-term cost savings for property owners. Navigating compliance with local regulations. Staying compliant with local housing regulations is essential for landlords. Property management companies, like Wolfnest, stay informed about Utah's evolving property laws. This proactive approach minimizes legal risks, contributing to overall affordability for both landlords and tenants. In Utah's challenging real estate market, property management services emerge as a valuable asset for landlords. The expertise offered by reputable companies, such as Wolfnest, empowers landlords to address affordability concerns while optimizing the performance of their rental properties. By partnering with Wolfnest, landlords gain access to a wealth of knowledge, data-driven insights, and streamlined operational support. As we navigate Utah's dynamic property management landscape together, we are committed to helping you achieve optimal results for your investment properties. Are you ready to elevate your rental property performance and contribute to affordable housing in Utah? Contact Wolfnest today and discover how our property management services can make a difference. Trust Wolfnest to be your ally in the ever-evolving landscape of property management.